everyone, today we are going to remove a fashion doll surprise. Let's get started. I'm excited. We are going to open now. We have this little cute doll with a beautiful dress. Little two cute shoes. Teeny tiny shoes. I love them. Thank you. It's really hard to put. Okay guys, I already finished making my doll. Let's get started in the other fashion doll. There's two. I think it's not the same. I'm excited. It's the same, but it's different. What put him here? Like this. It's really hard to put. I almost got it. There. Now we are going to dress up him. These are the two dolls I have. They are both like the same, but they have both different hair and different colors of dresses.